Hey guys, my name is Rakesh Sahani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So now we create update API to update our data inside database table. So let's start. Create one more function in your service interface, public object node update. Now here we also same use the register info DTO because we can directly interact with the register entity, so that's why we are using register info DTO. Okay, save. So the register info for updating our data, it's like we will use same function earlier we used for the create API. So implement update method here. Now like start with creating object of register entity equal to new register entity. Okay, now again use bean util, copy properties, object to source, register info and register entity. If you don't want to update his address, so you can simply put double quotes here and address, so it will ignore your address property to update it. So we will need to update it, so I am using here, but I don't want to update my ID, so I will put here ID, ignore, or you can leave it as it is because we need ID to check it. If start with checking condition, if register repository, same function used for ID, find by ID, again we will use here. Now use register entity because already we copied our DTO to entity. Then get ID here not equal to null. Okay, okay, so make some changes here. Register entity call set first name, register entity dot get first name. Same we will use same for others as well here. Register entity dot set last name, register entity dot get last name, and also use for updating address as well. So you can put get address here. So same method will apply here, save method dot, so like this, save entity name register entity. Register entity. See, now again pass the return function like this here. Updated. If unable to fetch or find the data inside our database, then apply constant not found. So like our update function is, our logic is ready to use. So now call it inside our controller class, same like post mapping. So I will copying same method, so use it here, update, and change this update. So https dot okay. So our update API is ready to for test. So we will check once again, is everything okay or not. See, seems okay, everything is fine. Now test it. So earlier I put my name as like first name Rakesh Rider localhost. So let's change it, this one. So I am pasting my name instead of Rakesh, using nickname Ryu, last name Dev Rider 127.0.1 and pass. So if I am not passing the ID, what will happen? So let's check out. Data will insert it, but why? So as I told you, the same method act as I like create, either create or update. So didn't put inside the object ID, so it's unable to find it because there is no ID, then not able to find the data inside my table with this logic find by ID. That's the reason it created new one. So let push data. So like in my previous name is Rakesh Rider, so I am putting ID comma 5, then see what will happen. Data is, so let's make some changes in our logic. Why will this happening? So start with here, dot is present equal to true, some typo issue, then changes to set address. Okay, let's check out is everything fine or not. If equal to, then it will update the data, otherwise not. So everything is fine, save it and run. So like this way are happening. So copy that, paste it here, so first check it, is it working or not. See, data not found. Now make some update changes here, address remain the same, now pass ID colon 5, See, data is updated successfully. Now check it in our database. So I changed my last name. Instead of that localhost number 127.0.0.1, now it will write after making some changes. So see, if I want to change my local address as well, instead of numeric to localhost site, data updated. See, so thanks for watching this video. Do smash on subscribe button, like button and share.